Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find password and security. Now let's tap on the system security and here enter installation sources. And as you can see, this is the list of the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course we can change it, just tap on the switcher next to the app. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember that and choose the apps wisely. So let's tap on allow, and as you can see right now, the Chrome in my case is allowed to install something. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.